Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to compare YouTube TV and Apple TV. When comparing YouTube TV and Apple TV, it's important to note that they serve different purposes. YouTube TV is a live TV streaming service that provides access to major networks like ABC, CBS, NBC, Fox, and ESPN. It includes unlimited DVR storage, allowing users to record shows and watch them later. Since it's an internet-based service, there's no need for cable, making it a great option for cord cutters looking for live TV without long-term contracts. Apple TV, on the other hand, is not a live TV service, but rather a streaming platform and media player. It offers access to Apple TV Plus, Apple's subscription-based streaming service with original content, and supports apps like Netflix, Disney Plus, and YouTube TV itself. The Apple TV device also enhances streaming quality with features like Dolby Vision and spatial audio. In my opinion, YouTube TV is the better choice if you're looking for a live TV replacement, while Apple TV is ideal for those who want a premium streaming experience with multiple app integrations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.